Welcome to Take Radio, and today, improvised antennas. Play that awesome intro video.
Where is that coming from?
Your mission, and you have to accept it.
Oh, that's some bull.
Hey, we don't need a Bob jar. Your mission is to build an improvised antenna, something that we haven't seen before. We don't want to see a Christmas tree antenna, or the backyard chair antenna, or YouTube mic sensor. This message will self-destruct.
Oh, heck no. Nope, you don't. Off.
Okay, we're looking for something to make an improvised antenna with. I'm at my desk. Nothing around here. A bunch of junk. Bookshelf behind me. No. Maybe something here. Well, this looks promising. But they're stuck together. How about these? This might do it. Let's go. Alright. This is going to be my first time on the channel that we are going to use a soldering iron. Let me get this plugged in. Alright, so it should be warming up here in a minute. And this is my thoughts. I'm going to be using these Cigar tubes to try to build a 440 antenna. We might try a 2 meter also. I also grabbed a magnet, but these don't seem to be magnetic. So I'm wondering if they're just plastic and then the solder will melt right through them, or they're aluminum, which will still work. I'm going to use this indoor wiring for the wires in my antenna, and then this BCN coaxial cable to clip them together and to the baofeng radio. So let's go ahead and just give this a cut. Not too much. That should do it. And one more. I'm just stripping the wires here. Probably have too much wires, so we'll cut them again as length as needed. Better have too much than too little. Alright, so I'm thinking this just slides in there. Got one connection. Then another. Just have a tube there and a tube there, and that'll be my antenna. So we'll just wait for the soldering iron to get hot and we'll solder these together. Let's do this first yellow one. Ooh, cedar's still in there. Smells good. tube is getting hot. It doesn't look like it wants to stick. Got a big glob on there. It doesn't seem as like it wanting to stick. There we go. It's very... looks like it finally stuck to it. I'm gonna get the wire hot again and put some more on there to make sure it's secure. Nope, it just broke off. Okay. Idea number 2. I'm going to cut a little flap out of here and pull that back and then fold it over and then try to solder or just stick the wire in it. So it's behaving like metal, not plastic, so I'm glad to see that. Now I wonder if I can get that to stick. Yay! It broke. Now so I can see solder that in there. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to be bending it because I don't think solder sticks to aluminum. Unplug that. I bet someone's yelling at me at the comments already about that. I'm going to give y'all a break here on building the second node, so let's jump to the end. Well, with polarization, I think I need to hold it this way. So I'm going to go ahead and reset. See you outside.
Billet antenna. I'm on a local 70 centimeter frequency because I did the math on these tubes and they mostly match the length of an antenna for a 70 centimeter. So let's go ahead and get polarization correct. Now let's key this guy up. This is KG5AHJ. Can I get a radio test, please, for an improvised antenna? Kilo Golf 5 Alpha Hotel Juliet. I'm able to key the repeater, so I know I'm able to trigger it. I don't know what the reception is like because no one's given me a radio check. But will it antenna? Possibly. Rock on. Will it antenna part 2. This is my car. We're gonna see if my car will antenna. Yay! Well, I kind of cheated and I had an antenna installed. Look at it! Look at it right there! Let's go take a closer look. This is a Diamond CR320A. I'll double check that. I had it drilled and tapped. And let's go ahead and look at the inside. And here we have the Anytone radio, Triband, drilled and hung on the roof there, connected to a PowerPole distribution block. I have 2 more open slots for future expansion, so I don't have to run more wires to the battery. I'm going to try to hold this straight. Here's the final headpiece installed inside the dash. Woot! So the answer is car will not antenna, but you can install a radio in it.